What's up, everybody? It is Ryan here with Cellular Pig, and today we have a review of UFlashlight. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's get on with the review. This app is called UFlashlight. Its icon is a picture of a flashlight, and it looks like a flashlight for 99 cents. It's okay. Some of the other ones are free, but you can change the color, put it on SOS mode, so it blinks out SOS Morse code of the flashlight in case you get stuck. You can change it to the handle, and so it pauses itself when it's multitask, but you can't keep the flashlight running, so you have to be in the app at all times if you want the flashlight on. It is pretty battery draining, but the flashlight is itself. So here's the test of the multitasking. Be sure to subscribe to Cellular Pig on this YouTube channel, like this video, rate, comment, subscribe. So this is Ryan Drigget signing off from Cellular Pig.